Welcome to JH. If your Crua monitor isn't producing sound, don't worry. This is a frequent point of confusion because many of these models lack built-in speakers, despite featuring a headphone jack. Start by inspecting the back of your display. If you don't see any speaker vents or physical volume buttons, the unit likely doesn't have internal audio. The jack you see is typically an output port designed for external speakers or headphones. To get audio, you must connect a pair of powered external speakers using an AUX cable. Once they are plugged in, open your computer's audio preferences. Right-click the speaker icon on the taskbar and select Sound Settings. In the output menu, ensure you have selected the correct playback device. If you are using an HDMI or DisplayPort connection, verify that the system is routing audio through that cable. Additionally, confirm your cable supports audio transmission, as some older or cheaper versions do not. Having an audio port on the monitor doesn't mean it plays sound itself. It simply acts as a pass-through for other devices.